Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford Taurus Limited all-wheel drive with a 301A package. The exterior color is Agate Black, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have an engine block heater connection. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. We also have chrome mirror caps as well as color-matched door handles. At the rear we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera as well as an embedded defroster at the rear window. Up top we have a beautiful moonroof, and this Ford Taurus also comes with remote start. At the interior we have loads of driver-friendly features including tons of door storage as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with blind spot information system. Over at the steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial. We have a fully telescopic steering wheel with the information trackpad and cruise control settings to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have 3 garage door opener controls and a beautiful moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 26,296 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Taurus. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver can also enjoy a heated steering wheel and view the display of the rearview camera. And driver and passenger can also enjoy air-conditioned and heated seats. Down below, we have Sync 3 controls, as well as we have a dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have a console gear shift lever with select shift option for the driver, as well as console storage and dual cup holders, and a center console that provides even more storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear of our center console, rear passengers can also enjoy heated seats. Our 60/40 arrangement leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Taurus, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.